CBD is one of the medicinal ingredients in cannabis, and it's been used for thousands of years as a medicine. The government has fined and jailed people for using cannabis, ultimately destroying lives. Billions of tax dollars have been spent prosecuting and brainwashing the population into believing cannabis and cannabis users are evil. However, once they set up the infrastructure to tax it, the same government decided it's okay and it can be legal now. So you tell me who the enemy is. Anyway, I thought, why not put some CBD oil in soap? I also wanted to test out some more swirls, so here we go. You're gonna need all your regular soaping equipment, nothing new here. And for this recipe, I tried out Cupuacu Butter. It's a hard butter that's solid at room temp. I had some, it was expired. Was it the right move? Who knows? Lye crystals, weigh that out. Recipe is below in the description. Next, weigh out your water. And then it's the same old, same old. A little tip I'll give is to stir the lye around quickly and aggressively. Don't let it sit. I've had it cake onto the bottom where I had to throw out my lye water. All right, then you're gonna weigh out your oils. And this is the Cupuacu Butter. It's a really nice, white, hard butter. It does take a lot of microwaving to melt. And then I used infused coconut oil with CBD. It was with plants that I've grown. It's all organic. That's all for another episode. And then I topped it off with some canola oil because I like to have a nice mix of liquid and solid oils. All right, so add your lye water into your oils, burp that stick blender and give it a nice mix. Then add your fragrance in. I did pure essential oil, patchouli and lemon. I like this combo. It gives a really nice scent. Then split your batch. So you can see this is a bit runny, and that's one of the mistakes I made. I probably should have blended it for a little bit longer to hit a bit of a thicker trace. So again, I'm using the activated bamboo charcoal to get my black. It's one of my favorite colorants to use. It's just great. And then I wanted to get green, you know, for the pot leaf, stoner kind of thing. So the other side of the swirl is gonna be green. Black and green swirls, baby. And then I just poured in the corner back and forth for the whole thing. I mean, if you like where this is going, you could support the channel, subscribing, liking, turning notifications on. It all has a big impact, I guess. It's all made up shit. I don't think it does anything. It must do something. If you like it, it helps. All right, so I poured for a while. My shoulders were killing me. And you could see it's still really runny. I always use a chopstick to add more swirls in. It looked great, but like I said, it was a bit too liquidy and this caused some problems with ashing down the road that I'll get into. The other thing is I'm rushing to get it done, so I didn't let it set up for long enough before I cut it. It's still cut fine and the soap's great, but what happens is that it's soft enough that the cutter kind of smears the swirls a bit so you don't get the sharp edges on them. And then as far as the ashing goes, I've read that that's from having soap that's open too long, that doesn't set up quick enough. So it's a bit too liquidy. It's a really easy fix. It doesn't impact the soap in any way. All you have to do is steam the edges or even get them wet, and it kind of washes away and dilutes the ashiness. All in all, this is a great soap. It's got CBD in it, crazy psychedelic, nice swirls, smells great, feels great, works great. Would I make it again? Hell yeah!